YouTube? Repeat Man here, and I'm going to show you guys the train horn setup on my 2000 Honda Accord EX with the V6. Alright. Well, for starters, this is where I put my tank. There's one of my compressors, and I just recently added this. This is my Air 380C. I got it bolted to a block of wood and just plumbed onto the tank. Here's my pressure gauge, and this is my tool chuck right here. I use it to, I can plumb this line on, I can fill tires up from cars and whatnot. And then this line, it's a bit messy in here, I apologize. There's a air line that runs to a solenoid right there. And from the solenoid to this, what do you call it? Banjo, I guess. Anyways, it basically splits it from 1 to 3. So we all 3 horns are hooked up. It's the realtrainhorns.net Nathan airchime K3HA. And there's one horn right there. And there's the other horn. And I have the third horn mounted back behind this. You can't see it. But yeah. Close the trunk. I'll show you my toggle switches. So basically, this is my compressor switch. The compressors aren't kicking on because the tank's fully pressured. And with all the switches off, I hit the horn. It's just Mr. Tarzan over there. And I turn this switch on. Hit the horn. It's just a regular Cadillac horn. I have an old Cadillac. And if I really want to make people go woohoo, this is my La Cucaracha horn. And you switch that off, and we flip it over to the big horn. And this big switch is the big horn, the train horn. This is gonna be really, really loud. Oh yeah, that's pretty loud. And what's really cool about this is, I turn my car off. Get out of the car, shut it, lock the doors. It's basically my alarm. If I set the alarm off, yeah, that's my alarm. So there you have it. Train horn setup on a 2000 Honda Accord. Thanks for watching.